Happy morning to my Nanbas and Nanbis. You will be watching this video a few hours before your final exam or maybe even few minutes before your final exam. I just want to remind about three things which are very important before you enter your exam hall. The first one is please do not use short forms even if it is going concern, ROM, RAP, FAP or even ICAI. Please mention the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India with each word starting with the capital letter, guys. Now before I go to the second point, I believe in manifestation and I want you to come down and comment with your name saying Riya will get above 60, Varsha, Vasant, Srinivas. Please use your name and manifest. I will like the comment and I'll definitely wish you in the comments and I will manifest along with you guys. The second point is with regard to time. From the second you receive the question paper, time is very important. In the first 15 minutes, that is 1:45 to 2, I want you with a pencil side of each and every question, write the subheadings if you know and select three questions where you're confident with. These three questions has to be completed before 3:30 p.m. guys. Now every question is of 14 marks and be mindful of time. It cannot cross 30 minutes for every question. And about MCQs, whether you start in the front or back or in the middle does not matter, but whenever you start, make note of the time and remember to finish the MCQs within 45 minutes, guys. Most of the times there will be a case study and then there are questions. Just go directly jump into the question, see the options and then decide whether you want to read the case study or not, because most of the times there can be direct questions in the MCQs where you might not have to need the entire case study. So this is a quick hack for you to save some time, guys. The last point is with regard to presentation. If they are asking case study based question, if they are asking direct questions, how should you present? If they are going to ask direct question in the exam hall, then no problem at all, directly just give out your pointers. But sometimes they'll ask case study based question and in the end they can ask a direct question. For example, there'll be a huge case story and then in the end they'll just ask examples of misstatements. So directly you're going to point out the examples of misstatement. You don't need to write facts, analysis, provisions, conclusions. You can avoid all of those things. You can save time here also, guys. So that's all from my side. All the very best for your exams. I know you will ace it. You've put in the hard work. You've put in all your efforts in the last so many months and the last 1.5 days. I'm sure all of you gave your best. So please go to the exam with full confidence and do your best, guys. All the very best.